The most popular magic tricks of science typically have to do with magnetism. The performer floats something heavy in the air without anything touching it, and the gullible crowds go ooh and ah. One famous trick has a ball being levitated with magnets. Ordinary folk watch and conclude that magnetism is absolute magic. It seemingly works by remote control. Action at a distance, they call it. But is it? Is this really magical action at a distance? What if we could make the invisible mediators that Mother Nature uses to do this trick visible? If we could see that the magnetic field holding the ball up consists of countless threads swinging under it, the trick would no longer be so mystical and incomprehensible. Here's another stunning scientific magic trick that wows the crowds. The Earth goes around the sun, and there's nothing between our planet and our star to justify such behavior. Action at a distance, remote control, attraction without a mediator, as Immanuel Kant described it. Of course, if we could make visible the invisible entities Father Universe uses to do this magic trick, it wouldn't be so mysterious now, would it? The only reason people marvel at such tricks is that they can't see the mediators. Laymen reply with what seems obvious to them, that there's nothing there. They can't see or touch the alleged mediators. The fault lies with the crowd's misconceived definition of object. People casually invoke the irrational definition found in all dictionaries and used throughout the world. Object, that which we can touch or see. This definition is irrational because not all objects can be seen or touched. See and touch require a second object. And this is an experiment. You must run an experiment to prove whether the moon is an object. Isn't the moon an object before the asteroid strikes it? Isn't the table that the Klingon has on the other side of the universe an object, in spite of the fact that you can't see or touch it? An object is not that which you can see or touch. Not all objects can be seen. Not all objects can be touched. An object is that which has shape. Shape is a universal attribute. There is not a single object you can imagine that doesn't have shape. And you must define the word object for the purposes of physics because you can't do physics without an object.